Hey guys, welcome to Bharti Yoga. I'm Bharti. Today we'll be doing the Urdhva Prasarita Ekapadasana or the standing split. This pose is great for toning the leg and the hip muscles. This is of course a slightly advanced pose, but you can definitely start working towards it as a beginner. So once you're ready, let's hop onto the mat and get going. Stand in Tadasana. Bring your feet hip distance apart. Spread your toes and ground both your feet firmly into the mat. Straighten your spine and roll your shoulders back. As you inhale, take both the arms up. As you exhale, start bending forward from the hips, keeping your back straight. Come all the way down. Again, inhale and elongate your spine. Place your hands on the ground slightly in front of your feet. Then concentrating at a point in between your hands, grab hold of the back of the right ankle with the left hand. Maintaining focus on a point on the floor, start lifting your left leg up, leading with your heel. Try to keep your hips squared so that the toes keep pointing in line with the left leg and are not tilted outwards. When your left leg has reached as high as you can go, start bringing your forehead slowly towards your right shin. Stay here for a few breaths as you maintain your balance by engaging the core. Slowly bring your left leg down. Shake out both the legs and come back up to Tadasana. Repeat for the other side. This was Urdhva Prasarita Ekapadasana or the standing split as taught in Light of Yoga. Hope you enjoyed it. Do subscribe to the channel to stay tuned to new videos every week. Bye-bye.